G'day all you wonderful people, welcome to Adventure Together. I'm Al, Tramily,
Caryn,
and we are the Tramily. This is like day 600 on the trail. I think we've come about 30 miles down the trail, and this is what we've woken up to. What a beautiful view, what a beautiful sunrise. There you go, so much mist you'd think we were in the Scottish Highlands. We got some purple flowers here and Caryn knows all about them. So what's going on?
Not all about them, but in the summertime, in my house they bloom in like April, May, and I always pick them and put them in my water and it sweetens them up a little bit. So it's a nice summer treat. It's very refreshing. Just let them soak in there a little bit and it'll flavor up your water.
Awesome. You see that bird? Ah! It's coming to get me.
Okay, hikers coming through. Hikers.
Should we wait for you guys?
Hey, how y'all doing? Well, thank you for all your work that you're doing.
Yeah, thank you for doing what you do.
Yep.
Clearing the path for us and everything. Thank you very much. Sure.
Have fun.
Thank you. What's that?
Oh, that's fantastic. Actually, if you want to bring them up, just maybe a little bit somewhere.
Like up here. Got them till like nighttime when I'm in my tent.
Caryn, what's can you explain what's going on with you?
Oh, my doggy. This is my dog Finn. This is Flat Finn though. I take him with me on adventures that he can't come along to. So he's been to Colorado, Utah, Arizona. So he's going to be with me until real Finn can join me after the Smokies.
Awesome. Take one.
And this was filmed by Griff from Kentucky.
Griff, let's see if I can come around this side.
What? Hey.
Hang on.
Oh,
You
gosh.
kind of got the two-tone thing going on here.
Yeah, usually.
I'm going to have one of those soon. I won't detour for water, but I will detour for rocks.
All right, I'll take a photo of you. Just hang on.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River.
So this is Robert. We've been leapfrogging each other for the whole time since day one, and we keep meeting up in the same place. And Rob, do you want to sort of just introduce yourself and tell everyone what you're doing on trail?
Yeah, hey, my name's Rob. I'm from Boone, North Carolina. I'm out here just, I don't know, for a lot of reasons, but I've had a great time. It's blew every expectation I've had out of the water. Met some really great people. And coming out here alone, I was scared, but all the people I've met, it's been amazing, really. It's been a good time.
And you're going all the way to Katahdin?
I'm going to try my best, man. I mean, every day, well, like today, low and slow, I pace myself, I'll make it.
It ain't no race, man. There's no race.
Sure.
Cool. Well, we're glad to have you along, man.
No, thank you. Thank you for everything, man.
No worries. We just come all the way to the top of this hill, and that is some view. Oh my goodness. We've come to ruin these people's day. Bye. They had peace and tranquility, and then I turned up. That's some view. I thought this was a tick, but it's a beautiful little black and yellow ladybird. So this is Griff. We've been leapfrogging him as well all day.
Hello.
Not just him, not just Robert, him as well, and I think he's joining the Tramily. So, Rob, just introduce Rob, Griff. We'll cut that bit out. You want to explain where you're from and why you chose to do the AT this year?
I'm from Shepherdsville, Kentucky, which is outside of Louisville. I got the college 15 all 6 years I was there. and took up smoking. So I decided to quit that and lose some lbs and get out of here and be able to brag to everybody for doing something they didn't do. So trying to do the impossible.
Where did you first hear about the AT? Is it like something you grew up with, or is it something recently?
I want to say it was like a backpacking trip. Somebody mentioned it, and then the YouTubes just blew it all up.
Too easy. All right, and you're heading all the way to Katahdin?
We're gonna try to.
Awesome. All right, we'll see you on future videos.
You can follow me at griffunlimited.com. All right.
Professional.